Welcome back. Now news from sports. The 2012 National Boat Sailing Championships has begun at the Hawaii beach. A total of 40 participants have taken part in the 4-day championship. President of Boat Sailing Association of Goa, Margao, told Prudent this is the best turnout at the Nationals of Boat Sailing competition. Among a few army men, veteran Goans Donald Coelho and Remy Fernandez, along with youngsters Cadwick, Dane Coelho and Malika Waz are the sailors to watch out for.
This year the championship has been really fantastic. We've got about 40 entries totally. This is the National National Boat Sailing Championship, in which we have a race boat class for seniors, then we have an RSX class for seniors, we have a race boat youth for boys, race boat youth for girls, race boat junior for boys, and we have a race boat sub-junior class. So basically what has happened is over the last 2 years, we've been trying to concentrate on building up the younger sailors from the sub-junior, junior level so that they can come up to the youth, and the idea is to try and build up some sailor from Goa who can win a medal at the Asian Games and hopefully by 2020 get a medal at the Olympics. That's the basic idea behind it. And for that, frankly, we have to give a lot of credit to Donald Coelho, who has been doing a fantastic job in training all the youngsters. Last 2 years, he's put in a lot of effort to train the youngsters, and we have seen fantastic results from it. And where earlier we just had senior sailors, there were never any youth sailors, that is under 17 or under 15. This year, the majority of the sailors are all junior sailors, which augurs very well for the sport. And in fact, this is almost the largest fleet in sailing today, except for maybe the Optimist class, where they had also about 35-40 sailors. Windsurfing this year has seen the largest fleet ever in any class of sailing. Last year we had only about 15 sailors totally. From 15 we have gone up to 40 sailors this year, which has been a fantastic leap. The good part is we've had a lot of sailors who come from outside Goa also.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with reporter Devendra Gaonkar from Donapal.
Navali Sporting defeated Father Agnel Paroda in a penalty shootout in the Our Lady of Gloria soccer tournament in Raya. Both teams were locked on a goal piece at regulation time, and Navali Sporting edged out 3-2 in the penalty kicks. Navali now advanced to the semi-finals of the Our Lady of Gloria soccer tournament, where they will take on San Jose de Ariel.
It was a match that saw both teams having equal number of chances, and the custodians on either sides made some good saves. Navali began to attack heavily in the second half, but poor finishing and good goalkeeping kept the scores to 0-0. There were a few innovative free kicks taken as well. Finally, it came down to penalties. Navali's Alvin Fernandez, Jason Pereira and Claudio Diaz converted from the spot, while Pascual Fernandez and Evanson DaCosta scored for the losing cause. Navali Sporting will face San Jose de Ariel in the semis of the Our Lady of Gloria soccer tournament. Our reporter Savio Diaz.
Don't worry if you have missed this bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.